I'm going to replace my tire now at Costco. And if you are planning to replace your tire and look your tire if it's still okay or no, I'm going to give you a tip. So this is based on the technician when I replaced my tire before. Okay, I will show you. This is using a quarter. When you see the hair of the quarter, that means that you need to replace your tires. I'm going to show you the tire at the back. So what is the difference? This is the tire at the back. So I'm going to make sure if it's still okay. So this is the quarter. I cannot still see the hair of the quarter. So this means the tire at the back is still good.
If this is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that every time I will upload a new video, you will be notified. And also, check my other video like interview question and answer, hydraulic pneumatic, FANUC robotics, motor controls, and many more.